Welcome everyone. Once again, a little bit of a pause from indoors recording, playing drums. Let's visit nature a while because that's part of us. We are part of nature. Yeah. You can hear that bird. You can see the alley, so to say, that I'm walking through. Okay? Yeah. Yeah. Thank you very much for coming. Thank you very much for choosing Ifeanyiku Trap Okolo channel. Trap Okolo Ifeanyi. Cool. With C and care making it strong, the cool in it. Yeah. And sometimes it's very important that you experience nature, you don't go all the time staying indoors or walking indoors. When the sun comes out, you go out and check the nature out, Thank you very much for being this supportive, because whenever you show up at my space, it's a kind of support. I would try to entertain you, but you are the person that will decide if my entertainment is enough to be called entertainment. Yeah. Topic of the day: take some time out once in a while to return to nature, because we are part of nature. Yeah. 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 I hope you all are good wherever you're watching from. Hope you are able to achieve something today. I hope also you are able to have given someone a smile, made somebody smile. It's very important. We shouldn't think that our life is just all about us. Yeah, you are the first instance, but to have a sustainable life, you have to have others, with you. So, yeah. It's getting cold out here, so we needed a situation where most people need a situation where they have to get themselves attuned to going out whenever the weather allows, in order to do it, in order to keep on moving the body, especially when the sun comes out, somebody like me needs the sun all the time. You cannot get it all the time here. We've been lucky that since yesterday the sun came out. Yeah. So, thank you for, even the animals, the birds, they are all happy, Could it be that my neighbor has, painted his vehicle black, red? It used to be white. Okay. These are all directions to go into the woods, but I'm taking a short, a shorter trail today. Not gonna be doing a marathon movement in the woods today. Yeah. Thank you very much for being there. It's all good when we embrace nature as part of us. The idea of thinking that we are synthetic, doesn't help. I just pray that those people experiencing rain, flood, and too much of rain now, just hope that they recover quickly. But we should learn from our mistakes. We should take care of the environment. Very important. Yeah, I might be singing for you guys, though my voice is not that good. Yeah. I don't know if I'm gonna try to walk down from that angle. I just said I don't want to do a lot of walking today. I just wanted to go somewhere where the sun will shine on me for about an hour or so. That's what I'm looking for. I'm looking around to see where the sun is. Anyway, the only position that I can see the sun much is under the shade right now. Those places are under the shade. You see that? Over there. There are places to sit over there, but it's all under the shade, alright? Okay. And out here, it's also under the shade. Okay. I have the feeling that somebody left something out there. Probably the person changed the position. Because of what? Because of the sun has gone out. Okay. Probably that's the person trailing out there. Okay. So as you can see, out there you can see some cows grazing out there. My interest is actually to go, check the sun out. But when I see something that might be of interest, I show it to you guys, because that's what this is all about. That's the only way I can entertain you guys. So let me go to that point. I think that point has more sun. And we continue talking about how you could take care of the nature and be conscious of what nature is all about, because we are part of it, right? Yeah. So that's my destination right now. I know it's not going to be for long because of the fact that we are almost towards the evening here. Yeah, if I could show you guys the road to the lake, that would have been fine, but the sun is really gonna disturb the film, Yeah, that should be the somewhere out there. Yeah, but the sun is too much to show you. Yeah. So what is Ifeanyi gonna be doing today? Ifeanyi is relaxing a little bit and sharing the moment with you guys. That's what I'm doing. And also see how long this sports camera could record. If I could put this here, that would be a good thing. But I need to balance it up. Let me see if I can get something to balance it up. If I could see you now, if you could see me now, the one you say will never be something. Yeah, we're loving Sitting in the rain. Let me see if I can get something to balance the camera. And you can see that's the good thing about nature. I'm going to use something that has already dried out. You know, I'm looking for something that has already dried out. And if I should not be talking about nature and at the same time trying to mess up the nature, okay? Yeah, that's it. You have to be conscious all the time about these things, okay? Yeah, let me see. Yes, I'm being thrown in the rain. Let's see if we can do that. It's gonna fall if I don't take care, if I'm not careful. Okay. It's better this way, isn't it? Yeah, the sun is coming from this direction, and that's actually what I wanted. I wanted a situation where I could just spend some time. There are trees out here. These trees are going to be shedding the sun. For example, where the camera is now is a kind of shade, alright? But here, I don't know how many hours it's going to take or how many minutes, so let me just spend some time with you guys here. Thank you very much for coming. It's been a hard-working week. Okay, there are kids coming. So we have to be careful not to. But the kids are with their parents anyway. Yeah. Let's see if we can put some lyrics together with the sunshine. Sunshine, fine. What are words that we can put together? You know, which words can we put together? I believe you're gonna love what is happening here because I know that the camera is reflecting on my sunglasses, so you might be seeing yourself. Yeah. So let's continue. Sunshine, fine. I've just gotten 2 words. There should be more words that could make up. And now that I'm thinking about it, if you're watching this on the premiere, you're gonna say the words that could. You can write the words that can rhyme with sunshine and fine. All right. Time. Yeah. Time. Time can go, shine can go, sunshine can go. It's still the same thing. Okay, fine. Yeah, these are. So we have sunshine, we have time, we have fine. Well, we needed another word to make it fall, so that if you're gonna be doing, you know, interposing, you can surely. Make up, you know, 2 lines of rhyme. Line, can we say line? Fine, line, time. You guys have got something for yourself. If you knew what it means to be around a creative person, you know, you might be thinking that you're crazy yourself. Yeah. Yeah, that's it. That's what happens. You know, a lot of things triggers the creativity in the head of a creative person. You know, I could have just comfortably sat here and allow some depressive thoughts to come into my head. But that's the thing. Most creative people, what protects them is actually their ability to be constant in their creativity. You know, I know in the street or in the community, some other person will be telling you guys, other things, which is very fine, and you know who she is. But today I'm not gonna, I'm gonna try not to mention her. But she's not even the only person. Everyone has, the so-called niche and topic that they discuss most of the time. There's other she who talks about, I think the other she is planting tree of friendship right now somewhere around your Bohansi. Yeah. And the other she is thinking right at the moment what best she can discuss so that you can be a better person in your own bedroom. And that goes also to your own. I hope I've not. I hope I've not turned my volume out. Okay. Yeah. So. Yeah, there is something about, and you could be that person that creates also. And when you create, people might think that you're crazy. No, you're not crazy. And like I said to you guys, don't call me mad. I have only mental issues. So when you now ask me, what do you mean by that? Because I know a lot of people, would be offended, especially those that are very close to me, who are that educated to be that not educated in that sense. I'm talking about informal education. Whenever I say education, please, I didn't study much, so people should be careful. When I talk about education, I'm talking about informal and formal education, and the development of your sense of reasoning, the development of your sense of comparison, and